Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access IHSS Work Authorization Dashboard Login Guide step by step clearly. To access the IHSS Work Authorization Dashboard, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official IHSS website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Login section. Click on the Login button or link. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard menu. Look for the option labeled Work Authorization. Click on Work Authorization to access the dashboard. You should now be able to view and manage your work authorizations. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login credentials. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. For further assistance, consult the Help section of the website. With your authorization information accessible, you can now proceed with your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.